Bonjour! Welcome back to French Action and welcome if you're new to this channel. Well, to be or not to be, that is the question. Let's conjugate to be in the present tense. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! The conjugation of être, which is to be in the present tense, must be memorized. So please learn it by heart. Okay, so let's go through the conjugation. Je suis, which is I am. Tu es, you are. Il or elle est, he or she is. Nous sommes, and be careful, not sommes. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils or elles sont. So for the pronunciation, I'm going to do it just in French one more time. Je suis, tu es, il or elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils or elles sont. So how do you put this in a sentence? Very simple. Here, the gentleman may say, je suis Patrick. I am Patrick. And the little girl says, tu es avec moi. You are with me. And we could say, nous sommes au Louvre. We are at the Louvre. For the first picture, we could say, it is a flower. C'est une fleur. So here, c'est is basically two words. C-E, which is ce, like this, and e, which is. C'est une fleur. So when you have the meeting of those two vowels, the two e's here, you need to put the apostrophe and of course get rid of the first e. C'est une fleur. It is a flower. For the next picture, I could say something like ils sont mariés. So here I would put il because the rule is if you have 10,000 women but one man, it becomes masculine. So we're going to have ils sont mariés. They are married. So here we are going to look at the negative form with être. Je ne suis pas. So ne is placed before and pas after. So you need to remember that the negative comes in two parts, the ne and the pas. Tu n'es pas. So here, because I have the meeting of the two e's, I'm going to get rid of the first e and put the apostrophe. And the same here, il or elle n'est pas. But here we don't have a vowel at some, so we are going to go back to the ne. Nous ne sommes pas. But be careful, here we have an e, so we're going to say vous n'êtes pas. And we're going to finish off with ils or elles ne sont pas. So I'm going to repeat it. Je ne suis pas. Tu n'es pas. Il or elle n'est pas. Nous ne sommes pas. Vous n'êtes pas. Il or elles ne sont pas. Let's see if you remember your conjugation. Okay, so I have come up with a little text here, well, it's just several sentences where you have être in brackets. So être will have to change according to the subjects, the persons doing the action. So Pierre et Paul ou vous, nous là, mes amis toujours en retard, je toujours à l'heure, mais je sais que tu en avance. Ce Sophie, elle française. So now you may pause the video so that you can write your answers. Voici les réponses. Pierre et Paul, où êtes-vous? Pierre and Paul, where are you? Nous sommes là. We are here. Mes amis sont toujours en retard. My friends are always late. Je suis toujours à l'heure. I am always on time. Mais je sais que tu es en avance. But I know you are early. C'est Sophie. Elle est française. This is Sophie. She's French. Did you get it? Well, a big bravo if you did. And just revise the conjugation if you didn't. Don't worry about it. Just go through it one more time. Okay? So, was this video helpful? If it was, please like it, share it, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir!